Have you ever thought about making an extra $1,000 a month, even while working your full-time job? Sounds amazing, right? The good news is, it's absolutely possible. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start. Whether you're just getting started or have tried before without success, this video will give you a clear and realistic plan. So stay till the end, because these steps could be the beginning of real financial freedom for you. Step 1 is simple. Create a digital product. You don't need to invent something new, just create something useful. It could be templates, eBooks, online courses, coaching sessions, or printables. If you're not a designer, you can hire someone for under $100 to help you. Free tools like Canva also make it easy to create professional products even if you're a complete beginner. Step 2. Build a simple website. Use Shopify or WordPress to create your online store. Buy a domain name that's easy to remember. Set up payment options like PayPal or Stripe, and upload your product. Keep it simple and clean. Good pictures and short, clear product descriptions make a big difference. Remember, your website doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be live so people can find you. Step 3. Promote your product. You can either start a blog or use social media. Blogging is great for long-term traffic. Write short, helpful articles around your product. Social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are perfect for reaching people quickly. You don't need millions of followers. You just need consistent, valuable posts that connect with your audience. Post daily if possible, and interact with your followers to build trust. If you want even faster ways to earn, there are tons of side hustle ideas that work too. Freelance writing, virtual assistants, proofreading, graphic design, pet-sitting, and even tutoring online are great options. Pick one that matches your skills and schedule. The important thing is to pick something and get started. Don't overthink it. Now, here's the secret most people forget. Stay consistent. Some months may be slow, but if you keep going, things will eventually take off. Remember, small steps every day lead to big results over time. Your first $10 online will turn into your first $100, then $1,000, and beyond, if you don't quit. So here's your quick action plan. Create a simple digital product, build a basic website, start promoting it, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you follow these steps, your first $1,000 online isn't just a dream, it's your next big win. If you're ready to start your journey, comment, "I'm ready," down below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I'll be sharing even more real tips to help you build the life you deserve. Thanks for watching.